Do you feel like your emotions are all over the place, making it hard to focus or stay balanced? It's easy to get overwhelmed by stress, anxiety, or just the demands of daily life. But what if you could take control of your emotions and improve your focus in just a few simple steps? In today's video, I'm going to share 5 effective strategies that will help you find emotional balance and sharpen your focus so you can feel more grounded, calm, and in control. Stick around, and let's dive into these life-changing tips. Strategy 1. Practice mindfulness daily. The first strategy to achieve emotional balance is mindfulness. Mindfulness is all about being present in the moment, without letting your mind wander off to the past or future. It's a powerful tool for reducing stress and gaining clarity. You don't need to meditate for hours to benefit from mindfulness. Start small. Take a few minutes each day to focus on your breathing or observe the world around you. You can practice mindfulness while doing everyday activities like eating, walking, or even washing dishes. By doing this regularly, you'll train your brain to stay calm and focused, which helps you manage your emotions and reduce stress. The best part about mindfulness is that you can practice it anywhere, and over time, it can become a natural part of your routine, leading to better emotional stability and focus. Strategy 2. Set healthy boundaries. Another essential strategy for emotional balance is setting healthy boundaries. Often, we feel overwhelmed because we're stretched too thin, trying to please everyone or handle too many things at once. Learning to say no when necessary is a game changer for emotional well-being. Setting boundaries means knowing when to protect your time and energy. Whether it's saying no to extra work, limiting social commitments, or taking time for yourself, boundaries help you maintain your emotional health. It's not about being selfish. It's about respecting yourself and ensuring you have the space to recharge. When you set clear boundaries, you'll feel less drained and more in control, which will help you stay emotionally balanced and focused. Over time, you'll find that it's easier to prioritize what really matters, and that leads to improved mental clarity. Strategy 3. Engage in physical activity. Exercise is not only great for your body but also for your mind. Physical activity is one of the best ways to release pent-up stress and boost your mood. Exercise helps release endorphins, which are the body's natural mood elevators, leaving you feeling happier and more focused. You don't need to do intense workouts. Simple activities like walking, stretching, or yoga can have a profound impact on your emotional balance. Even just 20 minutes a day can help reduce anxiety, improve your mood, and clear your mind. If you're feeling stressed or emotionally overwhelmed, take a quick walk, do some stretches, or try a yoga session. It's an easy and effective way to reset your mind and body. Regular movement will also improve your sleep, energy levels, and overall well-being. Strategy 4. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a simple yet powerful way to boost emotional well-being and focus. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your attention away from negative thoughts and emotions. Gratitude helps to reframe your mindset, making it easier to stay positive and balanced, even during difficult times. Start by writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day. It could be something small, like a nice cup of coffee or a kind gesture from a friend. Over time, you'll start to notice a shift in your thinking, becoming more mindful of the good things in your life, which in turn helps you stay emotionally grounded. By incorporating gratitude into your daily routine, you'll not only feel more at peace, but also more focused on what really matters in life. It's a simple habit that can lead to lasting emotional balance. Strategy 5. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for both your physical and emotional health. Poor sleep can lead to mood swings, irritability, and difficulty concentrating, which only makes stress worse. To maintain emotional balance and focus, it's important to prioritize good sleep hygiene. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid caffeine in the afternoon, and reduce screen time before bed to improve the quality of your sleep. A good night's rest will leave you feeling refreshed, emotionally stable, and ready to tackle the day ahead. Remember, sleep isn't just a luxury, it's a key factor in maintaining emotional well-being and mental clarity. By treating sleep as a priority, you'll be better equipped to handle life's challenges with a calm and clear mind. So, there you have it, 5 strategies to help you find emotional balance and stay focused. Whether it's practicing mindfulness, setting boundaries, exercising, being grateful, or prioritizing sleep, these small changes can make a big difference in your overall well-being. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with someone who could use a little emotional balance, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on improving your mental and emotional health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.